Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Audible app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using an iPhone, but it's very similar using an Android device. And if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe on this YouTube channel. So if you're using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download the app from there. But as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to go to the App Store. And the App Store is this blue button in the middle of my home screen. Click in there. And then go down to the bottom right, the search page. And then up at the top, start typing in Audible. Down at the bottom right, press the blue search button. And that's going to give you a bunch of different options right here. The first one, Audible Audio Entertainment, that is the correct app. And on the right-hand side of the listing, there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Basically, this just means that we've downloaded Audible on our App Store account in the past. Maybe not necessarily this iPhone, maybe a MacBook or an iPod or something like that. However, if you've never downloaded Audible on your account, then you will have a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or press the cloud icon with the downwards pointing arrow, and that's going to start the download. You want to confirm by pressing Download again. And all of the files are going to download on your device, and it's going to install the Audible app on there as well. So guys, the download has completed, and the App Store gives us the option to press the Open button from within the App Store, and it's going to launch and run the Audible app. So let's do that. And then from there, Audible is clearly working. It's downloaded successfully. You can go to Continue. And then from there, type in your email address, type in your password, and log in to your Audible account. Or if you do not have an account with Audible, you can go to Create Account and then basically sign up from there. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.